In Central Asia, origin of the puppet started 4th century BC. Theaters consist of 4 or 5 people. Very simple. A street theater consists of 3 persons. One actor, the musician, with the music instrument, the drum. The second, the speaker. In the center, you can see the puppeteer. Puppeteer have a wood construction for the stand the curtain. Behind the curtain, and the man have a pocket. On the pocket, there are several puppets, and then change, manipulate personage, make a theater. The first, Uzbekistan, puppets made from the leather. Here, all of the puppets made from the paper mache. We are working in 3 families, 17 people. Shape, prepare from the man, till painting. Women, at the same time, prepare the clothes, hats, jewelers, and then stick it together. 3 families, during the 7 days, made near to 15 puppets. Our puppets manipulate with the 2 fingers and have a stick. 2 hands, I will manipulate only 1 puppet, but very easy. Like this. Upload this planet. Open the fingers. Inshallah. Every person uses those puppets. Simple, manipulate. The starters use 2 fingers and have a stick. Very easy for everyone. Not like a marionette, not like a shadow puppets. It's very easy. My master, Iskandar, opened a shop. At first, he worked 2 persons. After 2009, we opened the place. Nowadays, we are working 3 families, but the main master is Iskandar. I'm just a puppeteer, I'm a puppet maker.